You look in the mirror, summer's here, but that radiant glow, still missing. You've tried every cream, but your skin stays dull and thirsty. What if the real secret isn't in a jar, but on your plate? Today, we're skipping complicated routines and diving into 7 superfoods that will transform your skin from the inside out. These foods hydrate, protect, and nourish your skin at the cellular level. Get ready to eat your way to a dewy, radiant summer glow. Let's get glowing. First up, watermelon, the ultimate summer hydrator. With over 90% water, it floods your skin cells with moisture, plumping and refreshing your complexion. Watermelon's lycopene acts as an internal sunscreen, helping protect against sun damage. Plus, it's loaded with vitamin C for collagen and vitamin A for cell repair. Enjoy it sliced, blended into smoothies, or tossed with feta and mint for a skin-loving salad. Every juicy bite hydrates, repairs, and defends your skin. Make watermelon your go-to snack for a natural, edible moisturizer. It's simple, delicious, and your skin will thank you. Next time you shop, see watermelon as your summer glow essential. Ditch the pricey creams, this fruit is your skin's best friend. Add it to your daily routine and watch your skin transform. Hydration, vitamins, and antioxidants all in one bite. Watermelon, the easiest way to glow from within. Your skin will love it. Next, berries, tiny but mighty skin protectors. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are packed with antioxidants that fight aging and dullness. Their anthocyanins defend your skin from pollution and sun, while vitamin C boosts collagen and brightens your complexion. Berries also support gut health, which means clearer skin. Add them to oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies for a sweet, powerful punch. They're nature's candy, but with real benefits. Consistent berry intake builds your skin's defense system. Over time, you'll notice a calmer, more luminous complexion. Let these colorful gems work their magic. Berries, your daily dose of glow. Eat them often and let your skin shine. The berry army is on your side. Avocado, creamy, delicious, and packed with healthy fats. These monounsaturated fats act as an internal moisturizer, keeping your skin soft and resilient. Avocados are rich in vitamin E, which teams up with vitamin C to protect and repair your skin. They also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, shielding your skin from UV damage. Enjoy avocado on toast, in salads, or blend it into smoothies for a boost of nourishment. Don't fear the fat, your skin craves it. Make avocado a staple for a supple, glowing complexion. Every bite delivers deep hydration and protection. Avocado, the ultimate skin food. Eat up and glow on. Cucumber, hydration and calm in every bite. With 95% water, cucumbers plump your skin and smooth fine lines. Silica in cucumbers supports collagen, keeping skin firm and youthful. Anti-inflammatory properties soothe redness and puffiness from the inside out. Eat them with the skin for extra fiber and vitamin K. Add cucumber to water, salads, or enjoy as a crisp snack. It's your skin's cool, calming best friend. Simple, affordable, and effective for a summer glow. Cucumber, refresh, hydrate, repeat. Pomegranate, nature's anti-aging jewel. Its seeds are loaded with antioxidants that protect and regenerate your skin. Punicalagins and punicic acid fight inflammation and boost elasticity. Pomegranate stimulates cell renewal for a fresher, brighter complexion. Sprinkle the arils on salads, yogurt, or oatmeal for a sweet tart crunch. It's a luxurious act of self-care with every bite. Pomegranate, protect, renew, and glow. Add these ruby jewels to your routine for visible results. Your skin will thank you. Kale, the queen of greens for glowing skin. Packed with beta-carotene, vitamin C, and vitamin K, kale supports cell turnover, collagen, and calms inflammation. Lutein and zeaxanthin protect against UV damage. Massage kale for salads, blend into smoothies, or bake into chips. 1 cup gives you more than your daily vitamin C. Kale floods your system with skin-beautifying nutrients. It's affordable, versatile, and powerful. Regular kale means smoother, brighter, more resilient skin. Don't underestimate this leafy green. Kale, eat green, glow bright. Make it a staple for your best skin. Chia seeds, tiny but mighty for skin hydration. They absorb up to 12 times their weight in water, keeping your skin plump and dewy. Chia is the richest plant source of omega-3s, calming inflammation and strengthening your skin barrier. Antioxidants fight aging, while fiber and protein support digestion and collagen. Make chia pudding, sprinkle on yogurt, or blend into smoothies. Just a tablespoon a day boosts hydration and resilience. Chia seeds, small, simple, and transformative. Add them to your routine for a holistic skin upgrade. Hydrate, protect, and glow, one seed at a time. Good things come in small packages. There you have it. 7 superfoods to eat your way to a summer glow. The secret to radiant skin starts on your plate, not in a bottle. Try one this week and share your favorite in the comments. For more inside-out wellness tips, subscribe and join our Glow community. Build your glow with every meal. Hydrate, nourish, and shine. Here's to a happy, healthy, radiant you.